You spent hours researching OBD2 scanners. You read reviews, watched videos, asked in forums, and you are still confused. Should you spend $60 or $529? Here is something nobody tells you. The Blue Driver scanner sits at the top of nearly every recommendation list. Amazon calls it a bestseller, and mechanics push it constantly at $119. I'm going to expose exactly why it is one of the most overhyped buys you can make in 2026, and why a $60 scanner on this list is objectively better for most drivers. Plus, I found a scanner here that Car and Driver named their top pick for 5 consecutive years. Products links are in the description. Let's count down from number 6 to the absolute best. Number 6, Xtool D8S. If you run a small auto shop, or you're a serious DIYer who works on multiple vehicles, the Xtool D8S is the scanner that makes most tools costing $800 to $1,000 look overpriced. This is the 2026 upgrade of the original Xtool D8, and the gap between them is not minor. The headline feature is topology mapping, something that was exclusive to scanners costing $1,500 and above until very recently. It visually maps every electronic module in your vehicle: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, body control, and color codes each one so you instantly see where a fault lives. No scrolling through menus one system at a time. The entire vehicle health status appears on one screen, and you know exactly where to look before you touch anything. The processor is fast enough that full system scans complete in seconds. No freezing, no waiting, no lag in the middle of a diagnosis. The 5,000 mAh fast charging battery means a full day of shop work without hunting for a power outlet halfway through a job. Beyond topology mapping, the D8S gives you 42 or more service reset functions and over 4,000 bidirectional active tests, which means you can command the vehicle to run its own components and confirm whether something is actually broken before you buy a part. ECU coding is available for BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Toyota, Ford, and Mazda. FCA AutoAuth covers Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. CAN FD and DOIP support means it talks to 2020 and newer vehicles without extra adapters. ASE certified reviewer Robert Stage, with 32 years of hands-on experience, evaluated the D8S for OBD Advisor and named it the best overall Xtool scanner for 2026, confirming it matches features found on tools costing twice the price. The one gap: no full ECU module flashing. For that, you need the Xtool D9S Pro. But for dealer-level diagnostics under $530, nothing at this price comes close. Number 5. Autel MaxiCOM MK808Z-BT. Autel is one of the most trusted names in professional diagnostics worldwide, and the MK808Z-BT, also sold as the MK808BT Pro, is their wireless workhorse for the $400 range. Bluetooth connectivity reaches up to 33 feet, which means you can walk around the car, check components under the hood, or open and close doors while the scan is running, all without being physically tied to the OBD2 port. That freedom matters more than it sounds when you are in the middle of a real diagnosis. Coverage stretches across more than 80 American, Asian, and European vehicle makes, with full system diagnostics across every available module. The 28 or more service functions cover everything a home mechanic realistically needs: oil reset, ABS bleeding, injector coating, EPB, steering angle sensor reset, DPF regeneration, and battery management system reset. The bidirectional active tests are where this scanner justifies its price. You send a command directly to the ECU, it activates the component, and you watch whether it responds. That tells you immediately whether you are dealing with a bad part or a wiring issue, before spending money on something that may not fix the problem. FCA AutoAuth is built in, unlocking SGW modules on 2018 and newer Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Fiat vehicles, a feature that previously required dealer-level tools costing multiples of this price. The limitation: it does not match the Xtool D8S for ECU coding depth, and professional shops needing full programming will outgrow it. But for a home mechanic who takes maintenance seriously, or a mobile tech needing a dependable daily driver from a brand with strong support, the MK808Z-BT is one of the safest purchases in this category. Number 4. Launch X431 CRP919E BT. Launch is one of the most respected professional scanner brands in the world, and the CRP919E BT brings that expertise into a package light enough to carry in one hand, just 580 grams, with up to 10 hours of wireless use per charge. The feature that genuinely separates this scanner for European vehicle owners is VAG guided diagnostics. If you own a Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, or Seat, the CRP919E BT walks you through the full diagnostic procedure step by step. It tells you which test to run, in what order, and why. For anyone who has ever stared at a fault code on a German car and had no idea where to start, This feature alone is worth the price. Beyond that, it covers 35 or more service resets, ECU coding, full bidirectional active tests, CAN-FD and DOIP protocols, and FCA auto-auth. Mechanics who tested it in live shop conditions against competing scanners at this price reported noticeably faster scan times. One verified reviewer who had used Autel, Xtool, and Topdon before specifically noted that the launch outpaced all of them, saving real minutes on every job. 2 years of free software updates come included, which is one of the stronger update packages at this price point. The caveats: no online ECU module flashing, limited coverage for Porsche and Maserati, and some users flagged the boot-up speed as slower than other launch tablets. But for Asian and European vehicle coverage with step-by-step guided diagnostics, the CRP919E BT is a genuinely strong pick at $400. Number 3, Innova 5610 CarScan Pro. The Innova 5610 is where this list turns toward the American DIY market, and it holds its spot because of one feature no scanner above it on this list offers: lifetime free updates. Every other tool here charges you after 1 or 2 years. The Innova 5610 does not. You pay once and own it, permanently updated, for as long as you use it. Pro Tool Reviews tested it across 4 real vehicles: a 2000 Ford F-250, a 2003 Jeep Liberty, a 2008 Toyota Highlander, and a 2011 Volkswagen CC. It caught a faulty oxygen sensor, a bad EGR valve, 2 separate failing alternators, a bad TPMS sensor, and an intermittent boost sensor fault. Not simulated tests. Real vehicles, real problems, real money saved. The feature list covers all system diagnostics across ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine, plus bidirectional active tests that let you command components like fuel injectors and ABS pumps directly. TPMS resets, EPB service, and battery system resets are all included. The Repair Solutions 2 app connects over Bluetooth and does something other scanner apps do not. It pulls verified real-world repair data and actual part prices right alongside your diagnostic codes. You know the cost of the fix before you speak to anyone at a shop. Vehicle Service Pros magazine profiled a retired shop owner in Tulsa, Oklahoma, who called the Innova 5610 his daily go-to tool specifically because of that knowledge base. Car Explorer gave it a 4.5 out of 5 after 45 days of hands-on testing in 2026. The trade-off: 3 8AA batteries with no built-in rechargeable option, and it does not reach the ECU coding depth of the Launch or Xtool above it. But for a driver who wants a permanently updated, no-subscription scanner for life, this is one of the smartest buys here. Number 2, Topdon Top Scan. Here is where things get genuinely surprising. The Topdon Top Scan is a pocket-sized Bluetooth dongle that plugs directly into your OBD2 port and turns your smartphone into a diagnostic tool. And it does things that scanners costing 12 times more cannot match for what you actually pay. 3 versions exist. The Lite at $50 to $60 gives you full system diagnostics across 120 or more vehicle brands, all 10 OBD2 test modes, bidirectional active tests, and 8 service functions: oil reset, EPB, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, BMS reset, steering angle reset, throttle adaptation, and airbag reset. The Pro version at $80 to $100 adds key programming, IMO functions, and 13 service resets total. OBD Advisor tested the TopScan Lite and confirmed it connected via Bluetooth in approximately 4 seconds and identified a 2019 Honda Accord in under 10 seconds. You might ask why a $60 dongle ranks above the Innova 5610 at $320, which has more features on paper. Here is the real-world answer. The Innova needs AA batteries, costs $260 more, and most people leave it on a shelf because it feels like a dedicated tool you have to specifically plan to bring. The TopScan stays clipped to your keychain or lives in your glove box permanently, paired to the phone already in your pocket every single day. The scanner you actually reach for every time beats the one you leave at home. In daily life, that accessibility is worth more than a longer feature list you rarely use. Important caveats. After the first year of free updates, advanced features require a paid subscription renewal. Neither version supports DOIP or CAN-FD, so 2024 and 2025 vehicles may have limited module access. But for a driver who wants a tool that costs less than one dealer visit and is always with them, the TopScan earns its place. Number 1, Ancel BD310. The number 1 scanner on this list costs under $70. Before you question that, Car and Driver named it their top pick for best display OBD2 scanner for DIY use 5 consecutive years in a row, including 2026. That kind of consistency is not an accident. What makes the BD310 different from everything else at this price is that it operates in 3 completely distinct ways. First, as a standalone handheld device using its own built-in color display, no phone needed at all. Second, wirelessly through the free Ancel app on your iPhone or Android for a richer, more detailed view of your data. Third, and this is the secret I promised at the start, it works as a live secondary dashboard display inside your car, showing real-time engine RPM, battery voltage, and coolant temperature on your dash while you drive. A permanent vehicle health monitor at $70. No other scanner at this price does that. Tom's Guide reviewed the BD310 and confirmed it genuinely functions as a supplemental gauge inside the car. A built-in magnet mounts it to your dash vent. The 56-inch cable gives you room to move while it stays plugged in, and a built-in flashlight helps you locate the OBD2 port in a dark footwell without fumbling. It reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, graphs and records live sensor data, runs battery tests, handles trip analysis, and covers every 1996 and newer vehicle. Car and driver praise the app interface as excellent. The 3-year warranty beats every competitor at this price level. What it does not do: no bidirectional active tests, no ECU coding, no advanced service resets. This is not a shop tool. But for any car owner who wants to stop panicking every time a warning light appears, and wants a live monitor watching their vehicle every single drive, the Ancel BD310 is the most honest value on this entire list. So, the blue driver I promised to expose. Here's the truth. It only works inside its own proprietary app, so you cannot use it with ForeScan, BimmerCode, or any specialist software. It has no real bidirectional active tests. It cannot command actuators, or run true component level checks. On most vehicles, it offers 0 service reset functions like ABS bleeding or EPB calibration. At $119, it costs nearly double the Ancel BD310 and does significantly less. Popular does not mean best. Every scanner on this list gives you more per dollar. If this helped you decide, hit subscribe. More real buying guides, zero fluff, are coming your way.